Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to access tool palettes in AutoCAD 2020. Already I opened my AutoCAD 2020. Now we have to find out where is the tool palettes. Click on view, then go to tool palettes. Here we have so many samples. Here this symbol is expressed that this is the dynamic plug. Click on it and click somewhere else. Now this is my car I inserted, so click on this script point and you can change, and if you want to change other side, rear side. Likewise this is mostly save our time, so we can access by these tool palettes, this dynamic block. Click on door elevation and same as here, click on here, then we can access, we can reduce or increase the width of door, even so the height also. If you want, you can flip the sides, so click on it here. So likewise we can access those dynamic blocks. Okay, some other options are there. Click on here, then you can add new palettes, customize palettes, customize commands also. Here these commands already activated here, so that's it, these steps are showing you. And if you want to make 3D, so click on here, you can access 3D modeling. Likewise you can access whichever you want. If you want to access to structural, so click on structural, then you can find the beams, I-beams, canals. Likewise the both units are there, imperial and metric system. If you want add the new palettes, click on here and go to new palettes. You can give the name as new palettes. I am going to give my palettes. Here I have to insert whatever I want, so click on here. If you dynamic block or normal plug, you can click on here and go to and drag and here. So we have to save the drawing before add to tool palettes, otherwise it not allow to save the file drawing one and save. Here I can access and save it here. Here this door elevation is added. If you want, you can access by dragging and drop here also. So you can see that which unit is this and elevation, whatever else we can add. So again I can use this, click on it here and click on it here. Here this unit is different and this unit is different, so it's automatically adjust the units also. This is a dynamic block. You can use this tool palette to save time. I hope this video is most helpful to you to save your time. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.